Okay, my everyone, just listen me carefully. We started a topic called as cell membrane. Cell membrane topic start कर दिए. So whatever this Nageli and Kramer, whoever this again one more important point, just keep it in mind. NEET and MCET में definitely one question will come. One question will come where they will be definitely asking this scientist names. साइंटिस्ट नेम्स पक्का पूछेगा भाई क्वेश्चन तो गारंटी गन शॉट हो कहाँ से भी रहने दो कहाँ से भी कौन सा यूनिट में से रहने दो you will try to interlink you will try to do whatever they want to do one question will definitely come from the names these whoever these people's names are there कौन क्या करा कौन से का डिस्कवर करे etc these things can be asked so wherever you come across a scientist name वहाँ पर स्टार मार्क कर लो कहाँ तो भी स्टार मार्क कर लो wherever you come across the scientist name वहाँ पर स्टार मार्क कर लो because they will be definitely आसने पूछने के chances are very high mark definitely chances of so everyone is carefully so this Nagelian grammar what was happened is a Nagelian grammar during those days उनका time पे Nagelian grammar like 1800 or 1700 time पे when they were observing the cells now when they are observing the cells what they came to know that the cells are surrounded by membranous layer the whatever this cell is there, the cell is surrounded by membranous layer, and these are the two people who are the first to observe that. These are the two people who are the first to observe that, and they just say that it has a membranous coverings. These are the two people who say that these are the membranous coverings, but they didn't give in the name. They didn't give in the name. They didn't say anything. They didn't. They just observed. थोड़ा observe कर दिए. Nagelian Kramer Nageli, 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 Cramer, Kramer, whoever these two people are there. They just observed and the membranous bar surrounding the konsa cake layer and they didn't even officially given the name also. They didn't just given the official name also. They just said that it is membranous covering. So they just said like this only. They didn't give any name. They didn't say anything etc. But the name for these membranous coverings then who came next means Plauve came next. Plauve came next. In membranous coverings, he also didn't officially seen also. Instead of calling them as a membranous coverings, ఏ బందా क्या कर रहा है వీడేం చేసినంటే వీడికి ఒక పేరు ఇచ్చేసినాము that is called as it is called as a plasma lemma. Nagel and Kramer observed the things and they said one layer is there which is surrounding the entire cell and they said that that layer has a membranous coverings. They just say the membranous coverings, but the name plasma lemma was given by the Plauve. Same membranous coverings ki oka pair ichinamma, the pair endante plasma lemma. Plasma lemma is the name given by the Plauve. Remember, try to remember the name, person name definitely can be asked at a Plauve. And coming to the point, third point, plasma lemma or the plasma membrane. Now it is official. It is totally official that in a clear point of view, from the diagrammatic point of view, whoever this person is there, he was able to with the help of diagrams with the proof also he is the first person to discover the plasma lemma or the plasma membrane. I mean इससे पहले लोग इंतक मुंदु पाइना वाले औरत उन्नरो they just say that this is the thing which is present etc but the Squan is a person Squan whoever the Squan is there Squan is the official person who was successfully able to discover who was successfully able to come up with the proofs who is successfully able to come up with the diagrams and uh, that's why if a person comes and asks you who discovered plasma lemma or else who discovered the plasma membrane means you have to definitely you have to say that the Squan is a person who discovered these two things plasma and again same one more thing is a plasma lemma or the plasma membrane means the same thing only the outer covering जो भी रहता है ना outer covering जो भी रहता है ना whatever the outer covering is there those two are you can use the interchangeable plasma lemma बोल के भी बोल सकते हैं plasma membrane भी बोल सकते हैं then who discovered this thing is Squan just try to remember these three people's name Nagel and Kramer was the first to identify was the first to observe them and they say that it has a membranous coverings and then a membranous coverings का एक नाम देने वाला Plauve is a person who given the name plasma lemma बोल के एक नाम दे दिया then the Squan is the official person. He came with the official diagrams, official proofs, and so because of his official diagrams and official proofs, it was stated that he discovered this respective plasma lemma and plasma membrane. Nagel, Kramer, and Plauve also did some small amount of work, but they didn't got the credit. So credit पूरा किसको गया वो तो Squan को गया. क्यों स्क्वाम को गया, बिकॉज दे गिवन द प्रूफ एक्सेट्रा डायग्राम्स पूरा उसके वो लोग दे दिए बोल के. So that is one more thing. And as a time moves on, as a time is getting moved on, what it is came to know that the outer layer जो भी है ना, which is called as plasma membrane, the outer layer which is called as plasma membrane, it is came to know that it is not this plasma membrane or this membrane thing is not only present at the outer side. जो भी membrane चीज जो भी है ना, ये membrane अने पदम यूज చేస్తున్నాము, what are the membrane term we are using now, that membrane is not present only in the outer side. Those membranes are present inside the cells also. Those membranes are present inside the cells also. How, for example, go and see your nucleus. Nucleus is surrounded by membrane called as nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane. As the time is moving on, what the scientists came to know that ये जो भी membrane वाला चीज है ना, वो बाहर में नहीं रह रहा, బయట మాత్రమే ఉండడం లేదు. That membrane thing is present in the inside also. For example, nucleus is surrounded by membrane called as nuclear membrane. Surrounded by membrane called as nuclear membrane. If you go and see your mitochondria, that mitochondria is also surrounded by membrane. Mitochondria is also surrounded by membrane. Go and see your chloroplast. The chloroplast is also surrounded by membrane. Go and see your this endoplasmic reticulum. That endoplasmic reticulum, that is also surrounded, that actually made up of the membranes only. That actually made up of the membrane itself only. Endoplasmic reticulum ఏదైతే ఉందో మీరు చదివినరో 9th or 10th class లో, రఫ్ endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, అది కూడా దేంతో తయారైందంటే membrane తో తయారైంది. If you take the Golgi complex is also made up of membrane. If you go and see your lysosomes is also made up of, their surroundings is made up of the membrane. So what was later observed that this membrane thing is not only present outer side, the outer layer जो भी है ना, what are the outer layer, this I'm pointing out with the laser, is not only present at the outer side, they are present everywhere inside. Inside भी हर एक चीज के surrounding में हो रहा है. Then what was happened that instead of calling them as the plasma membrane, हर एक को मिलके every membrane ni kalpi, any membranes ni kalpi, they started calling it as one term only, called as a cell membrane or biomembrane. Cell membrane or biomembrane. Instead of calling them as a plasma membrane, individual का पिलचे बदलो, अन्नी membrane cell लोपट लोना प्रति ఒక్క membrane ni కలిపి हर एक membrane को मिला के, what they started calling means started calling it as a cell membrane. Why I brought this topic, because if I start discussing about the plasma membrane alone only, plasma membrane का alone discuss करे तो बाद में हर एक का discuss करने का रहता. I cannot will be not able to tell this is a membrane, this is also same बोल के I will be not able to explain. What my conclusion, what my clear point to you, मेरा मतलब क्या है बोले तो हर एक membrane एक ही चीज से बना हुआ रहता. Are we clear? Every membrane that you're seeing on the screen now is totally same. Some differences will be there. What are the differences? I will try to tell you. Plasma membrane जो भी surrounding layer रहेगा. What are the nuclear membrane? What are the Golgi complex का membrane? What are the mitochondria का membrane? The chloroplast membrane. All these membranes together is called as what? All these membranes together is called as a cell membrane. All these membranes together is called as a cell membrane. So whenever I use the term cell membrane बोल के कभी भी यूज करा तो माइंड में फिक्स कर लो कि पूरे मेम्ब्रेन्स के बारे में बात करे बोल के समझ लो. నేను ఎప్పుడైతే నెక్స్ట్ టైం సెల్ మెంబ్రేన్ అనే టర్మ్ యూజ్ చేస్తానో మైండ్ లో ఫిక్స్ కాండి. ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ద ఎవ్రీ మెంబ్రేన్, ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ద న్యూక్లియర్ మెంబ్రేన్, ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ద ఎండోప్లాస్మిక్ రెటికులమ్ మెంబ్రేన్ ఎక్సెట్రా. జస్ట్ ట్రై టు కీప్ ఇట్ ఇన్ దట్ పర్టికులర్ వే. And again, see, I didn't even enter into the topic. I didn't even say what is the chemical nature, क्या है, etc. I just started recording the discovery. कौन क्या उखाड़ा, कौन क्या करा, etc. Okay, just giving the discovery. Just remember these people's names. Just remember these respective people's names. What are those people's names? Means one is a Nagelian Kramer, Marker, and the next one is a Plove, and the next one is a Squano. these three people you have to remember. These three people का name याद रख लो, and then what we came to know that not only plasma membrane is there are many membranes inside the cell. Plasma membrane is अकेला membrane नहीं होता. Plasma membrane ఒకటే మాత్రం membrane కాదు. Plasma membrane type లోపట్ల cell లోపట్ల చాలా ఉన్నాయి. Plasma membrane की तरह अंदर बहुत सारे हैं. कहाँ पर है बोले तो कॉन्ड्रिया का, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम का, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन का, पूरा एक ही टाइप ऑफ मेम्ब्रेन के बना हुए रहते हैं. सो एवरीवन टुगेदर कंस्टिट्यूट एज अ सेल मेम्ब्रेन. पूरा के पूरे मिला के सेल मेम्ब्रेन बोल के बुला रहते हैं. वेरी वेरी सिंपल. नाउ इफ यू सी दी, now here comes the most important point. Here comes the most important point. Everyone listen me carefully. What are they made up of? What are they made up of? This is the important point now. What are they made up of means every cell membrane, every membrane जो भी है ना, what are they actually made up of? I'm not only talking about plasma membrane. Plasma membrane के बारे में अकेला बात नहीं कर रहा, मैं हर एक membrane के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. I'm not only talking about the plasma membrane, I'm talking about the every membrane. So what are they made up of? Cell membrane का जो भी है ना, वो कौन से चीजों से बना हुआ रहता है बोल के अपन देखने वाले हैं. We are going to see that point. So what are they made up of means mostly they are made up of two things only. Mostly they are made up of two things. One is lipids and the other one is proteins. One is lipids and the other one is proteins. So if a person comes, if by myself only comes and asks you what are the membranes are made up of, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन या మైటోకాండ్రియా मेम्ब्रेन या कौन सा भी मेम्ब्रेन, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन, దేంతో తయారైందని వచ్చి నేనే వచ్చి అడిగిన అనుకోండి, అगर by self only comes and asks you what are these membranes are made up of, you have to say they are made up of lipids and they are made up of proteins. Simple answer. They are made up of lipids and they are made up of proteins. Every membrane is made up of these two things. Additional things are there. Some additional things are there, like certain glycolipids. Glycolipids are also there. Carbohydrates are there. Carbohydrates behave, etc., etc. But I'm not going into that particular topic. Majority of the membranes are made up of these two things only. Majority of the membranes जो भी है ना, वो ये दो चीजों से बना हुआ है. That is a lipids and the other one is a protein. One is a lipids and the other one is a protein. Very very simple. Then you may ask me, sir, is every membrane is made up of these two things? The answer is yes, sir. But they will be present in different proportions. They will be present in different proportions. They will be present in different proportions. How? Let me tell you with the example. For example, take the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane ले लो. Plasma membrane ले लो. Protein quantity, protein का percentage, it might be having 40%. Lipid का percentage, it might be 60%. Protein how much is present means 40%. Lipid कितना है बोलते हो 60% है. किसमें? Plasma membrane. Go and see your nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane में देख लो. Nuclear membrane में देख लो. Protein will be made up of 45. Protein will be made up of 45. Lipid कितना रहता है बोलते हो 55 रहता. 55 रहता. I mean, what I'm trying to tell you is that हर एक membrane definitely they are made up of two things. Most important, they are definitely made up of proteins and lipids. Proteins and lipids. But how they are different means they are different in the proportions. Proportions रहता है ना, उसके हिसाब से वो different रहता. Go and see your mitochondria. Mitochondria का देख लो. Mitochondria is also made up of membranes. उसमें प्रोटीन जो भी रहता है ना, उसमें 35 रहता, 35%. And what are the lipids are there? They might be in the form of 65%. समझ में रहा हूँ ना? People, I hope you people are able to understand whatever the mitochondria is there. It will also contain proteins and it will also contain lipids. But the concentration या percentage जो भी है ना, वो थोड़ा different रहता. हर एक उसमें different रहता. And that too, these thing values will again change from cell to cell. Cell to cell change होता रहेगा. These values will change from cell to cell. For example, plant cell में mitochondria में proteins are 35%. सेम एनिमल्स में 35 नहीं रहता, 40% रहता समझ लो. लिपिड जो भी है ना, वो 60% रहता समझ लो. सेल टू सेल, दिस इज द एनिमल सेल, दिस इज द एनिमल सेल एंड दिस इज द प्लांट सेल का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. दिस इज द प्लांट सेल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. सी वन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट इज दैट ए वैल्यूज कुछ भी याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं. ఈ వాల్యూస్ మొత్తం మీరు బట్టి పట్టాల్సిన అవసరం కూడా లేదు. because he is not that idiot. He is not going to the person who is going to prepare your paper. He is not going to ask such sort of questions. No, इतना percentage क्या है, उसका percentage क्या है. He is not going to ask you any point at all. वो पूछने वाला ही नहीं है. You people no need to even remember all these values or percentages. What I'm trying to tell you is that just remember whatever the membranes are there. Membranes are totally made up of two things majority. One is called as lipids and the other one is called as proteins. And how they are different from the membrane to membrane means they are different in the form of the percentages के हिसाब से वो थोड़ा different रहता है. एक सेल में एक percentage रहता और एक उसमें और एक percentage रहता. That you have to keep it in mind. That you have to keep it in mind. Very simple. What I'm trying to tell you, whatever the membranes are there, they are made up of lipids and they are made up of proteins, lipids and proteins. So lipids and proteins, everyone listen me carefully. Here comes a topic नहीं हो गया हमारा. Still we didn't complete the topic. Still topic has to be explained. What are the lipids are there? Lipids जो भी है ना, they are presented in the form of two types. They are present in the form of two types. What are the proteins are there? They are also present in the form of two types. They are also present in the form of two types. So lipids जो भी है lipids के अंदर दो तरीके के lipids रहते हैं. Proteins, what are the proteins are there? There are also two types of proteins are there. There are also two types of proteins are there. A and B. A and B, two types of proteins will be there. What are the lipids and how many types of lipids are there? Means hydrophilic heads, hydrophobic tails. बोलूंगा मैं क्या है इसका मतलब क्या है कि मैं बोलूंगा extrinsic proteins, intrinsic proteins. This topic is highly important. मैं बोल रहा ना highly important means highly important. See, I don't need to spend this much amount of time. है तो मैं 2 मिनट में खत्म कर दे सकता था टॉपिक को. 2 minutes तक खत्म जैसे I can move forward to your next topic. But see, problem is that next whatever the topics are there, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, whatever those all those mitochondria, what are the क्लोरोप्लास्ट टॉपिक आने वाले टॉपिक जो भी है ना हर एक टॉपिक में एक ही टर्म बार बार रिपीट होगा దట్ ఈస్ అ మెంబ్రేన్ ప్రతిసారి వచ్చే ప్రతి ఒక్క అర్థమైన టాపిక్ లో కూడా ఒక టర్మ్ రిపీట్ అవుతుంది దట్ ఈస్ अ मेम्ब्रेन हर एक टॉपिक रिपीट होने वाला है दैट इज एक मेम्ब्रेन बोल के एक टॉपिक तो रिपीट होने वाला है अगर आप मेम्ब्रेन के टॉपिक अच्छा नहीं पढ़े तो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा Are we clear? I hope you people are able to see. If you're not even listening this class, I will be uploading the video again on the YouTube. Go and listen again and again. I'm warning you people because this is a highly important topic. Future में हर एक topic में not only in the first year, even in your second year, this topic will come again and again. बार बार ये topic आता ही रहेगा. If you're not even able to understand my topic, just go and see your textbook या कौन सा भी दूसरा source रहा तो एक बार check कर लो. Because this is a highly important topic. So what are the lipids are there? जो भी lipids है ना, it is also divided into two types. One is called as the hydrophilic heads and the other type of hydrophobic tails. What are the proteins are there? They are also divided into two types: extrinsic proteins and the intrinsic proteins. Extrinsic proteins and the intrinsic proteins. Extrinsic proteins and the intrinsic proteins. So you may ask me, sir, what are these hydrophilic heads and what are these hydrophobic heads, etc., etc. You may get all these doubts. So what I will do means I will just draw a diagram. I will just draw a diagram. तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. एक डायग्राम ड्रॉ करूंगा तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. So everyone, what you'll do means first of all, just exit this class and reconnect again. मैं exit class को exit time हो गया. Exit करके और एक बार आ जाओ. Exit this class and come back again.